COSORI TurboBlaze not turning on? Try these easy power fixes first. If your COSORI TurboBlaze won't power on at all, no lights, no beeps, nothing, it's usually a simple power or sensor issue. Step 1. Check the power cord and outlet. Make sure the plug is fully inserted into the wall outlet. Avoid using power strips or extension cords. They can cause voltage drops or prevent the fryer from starting. If you're using a GFCI outlet, press the reset button on the outlet itself. Step 2. Confirm the basket is inserted correctly. The TurboBlaze won't turn on unless the basket is fully pushed in and seated flat. If it's slightly crooked or not clicked all the way back, the safety sensor won't activate. Step 3. Try a different wall outlet. Test the fryer on a different outlet that you know works with other appliances. If it turns on there, the issue is likely with the original socket or its wiring. Step 4. Reset the fryer with a full power cycle. Unplug the unit, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Try pressing the power button firmly for 1 full second. The touch panel can be a little sensitive. If the fryer still won't turn on at all, and the outlet and basket are fine, it could be a failed sensor or internal power issue. COSORI support is linked below. If this got your fryer working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and cook steady.